Another day at the forge, and my arms already ache just thinking about it. See that boy? He'll set his hair on fire before he sets the iron straight. Feels like my arms won't last the season. Metal doesn't shape itself, good sir, though I wish it did. By the saints, he'll drown the fire before he drowns me.
She says I need this more than the iron does. She's not wrong.
Clang, clang,
Blacksmith man.
clang,
Clang.
Blacksmith man.
Yeah, laugh it up. Wait until you need nails for your roof.
One at a time. I've only got 2 hands, not 10.
Another day done. Until sunrise.
Who should I become tomorrow? A Roman soldier? A Victorian nurse? Or maybe a Viking raider? You decide.